Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make play-doh Princess Elsa and Anna dresses. So for this you're going to need Elsa and Anna, of course. You're also going to need 3 shades of blue play-doh, light and dark pink play-doh, purple play-doh, yellow play-doh, a play-doh knife, a play-doh rolling pin, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is undress our doll, because we're going to make our very own dress for her. Now we're going to start with the dark blue play-doh. We want to roll it large and flat. I'm cutting a long rectangular shape out of it once I'm happy that it's all smooth. This large rectangular shape is going to form Elsa's dress, so wrap it around her middle, like I'm doing. Neaten up the bottom using your play-doh knife. Looking good already! Now we're going to roll out some more dark blue play-doh and cut a long thin rectangle shape. This is going to be her top, so wrap it around her, just like I'm doing. I'm also adding an extra piece to make a bit of a belt. We're going to add another belt later. But this just smooths the play-doh look down. Now take your dark pink play-doh and roll it flat. We're going to cut long thin strips out of this. And we're going to do the same in the purple play-doh. Once you've done this, we're going to add the purple and pink together. Great! We're now going to roll it all flat. This is going to create some great detail. Cut a wave shape at the bottom. And we're now going to bunch the top together. This will give the impression that the play-doh is fabric and has ruffles and folds. Stick it to the top of Elsa's waist. Now we're going to take some of the purple play-doh to make Elsa's belt. We're going to roll it long and thin and add it at her waist. To complete that look, we now need to make a bow out of pink play-doh. Bunch it together to give this some texture too. And stick it on top. Don't forget to add a dot to the center of the bow. Taking the remaining pink and purple play-doh, I'm going to roll it out and cut a wave shape. This will create lovely detail for the bottom of Elsa's dress. Perfect! Doesn't she look great? Now it's time to start on Anna. The first thing we want to do is to remove the clothes. We're going to make the base of the dress in the same way that we did for Elsa, except this time we're using the light blue play-doh. Roll out the shape and wrap it around Anna's middle. We need to give her a top. So roll out the same colour play-doh and cut a big, long, skinny rectangle. Wrap it around her middle. Smooth down any edges using your knife. I'm now going to make Anna's sleeves. I'm doing this by ruffling together a long bit of flat play-doh. It makes it look like it's real material. Let's look at what I'm doing closer. I'm ruffling it back and forth, almost like I'm making a paper fan. This really does make it look like the play-doh is material, which is what we want. Now we need to add some more detail to Anna's dress. So take the yellow play-doh and roll it flat. Cut a giant wave shape, just like I've done. We're now going to add this ruffle from Anna's left shoulder down across her body to the right side of her waist. Cut off any excess. Now we're going to roll some light blue play-doh flat. I'm adding this at the bottom of Anna's dress. What beautiful trim! Roll some more light blue play-doh into a long thin spaghetti shape. We're going to add some more detail to the top of the yellow ruffle. Now I'm going to make a rose out of light pink. Roll it flat and then roll the play-doh back on itself, just like this. You'll get a wonderful rose shape. We're now going to add this to the center at the top. I'm also adding a little bit more pink in between the yellow and light blue. Great! And there you have it! Anna's dress is done! Anna and Elsa are ready to go to the ball, but can you believe it? Their dresses are made of Play-Doh. So that's how you make Play-Doh Princess Elsa and Anna dresses. Thanks so much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below, and we will see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!